Yo. Stocks 5150. All right. We back. We are back streaming live. Yo, today, guess what happened? I paid attention. I was at the beach and I was in a trade, remember from Friday? And that trade was coming around. It was green. I got to give it to it. It was green. It was working out. But I had it in for to get out at 800. And then I saw some news come across and the news said Fed will likely, more than likely, not cut rates with the data that they have. And so you see, I closed out at 792. Close out 792. That gave me a profit. Played it safe. I listened for once. So now I'm in another play right now for this power hour. Next 30 minutes. Trying to play to the upside. I'm at 602. We're at 607 right now. Let's take a look at it and see where we at. Um, yeah. So far so good. If this doesn't go bad for me, I'm playing to the upside. You see right here at 630. And that's what my target is. So maybe we get a pump off of some type of cross. If it comes up and touches, that'll be good. Right now it's kind of slow, just bouncing. But you can see where I was at earlier. Look at this, I got my red, yellow, and greens on here. This is where we were earlier. Um, and we got out. So that worked out. That was like right before the market opened, which was a good thing. Now it did go up to, I think I had to order for 8 8:30. I think I did that before. So I might have got that. That might have happened, but the order might not have filled either. Cause see, that was a quick wick, and then that's it, crashed out. Either way, got out good, and I'm not complaining. So we got 30 minutes left, and we got this is on the we got 1 minute left on this candle on the 5 minute, and it looks like it's pulling back, falling. On the 1 minute, it already crossed over, or it's heading back down that way. 1 minute is looking pretty bearish, to be honest. So we could be into more treatment like over here. Yep, there it is. Crashed out. Hopefully build support right there at that level and bounces back up, but we'll see. We shall see. If not, it's cool. Being in at 600 and tomorrow, I think tomorrow the FMOC is tomorrow or the feds are talking. Not really sure when they're gonna be talking. Let me look and see Forex Factory. I believe they are doing a Fed meeting this week though. All right, so we're losing on this one right now on the 1 minute. Pulling back. I'm gonna hold it though because we had support down here, bounced up. So you know, mm. It looks like they're trying to keep it right here in this lane, in this range right here. Look at the 4 hour and see where we were. And so we just waiting for the Fed meeting. We're just in this range. Like if I keep that one and keep. All right. So it's looking like on the 4 hour, we're still right here in the same range. Pull back, we went up. That's high as we got was six. What is it? 867 or so. And then we pulled back. That was 860. All right, that was the high, and we just pulled back. Which, interestingly enough, if we do something like this, we just measure out this doji there to there. We're still within this range on this doji right here, this 4 hour doji. So as long as we stay here, we got plenty of support within this range, and that, that's fair. We can stay there. I'll get rid of this. I don't need that right now. We can stay right there in this range. If we bounce, pull back up and hit here, that'll be great. All I need is 630. But it looks like we're range bound for sure. Coming back into range, I should say. Um, let's see, what's going on the calendar, the economic calendar. December 8th is today. December 8th, the United States, Japan had economy watcher sentiment and it is down 48.7. Forecast is 49.5. What else we got? US, nothing. Nothing for us. But for tomorrow, December 9th, we got the JOLTS jobs opening report that comes out. That's September data. So this is all old data. ADP weekly employment change, that's tentative. Maybe that comes out. That's last time it was minus 13,000 jobs. The JOLTS, we'll see if that comes out. And that's September data, and that is at 10 a.m. And we got a 10-year bond auction tomorrow. I don't know if anybody gonna buy that shit. We'll see though. Begging for money. Probably China. China gonna own everything over this bitch. That's what we get though. It's what you get. Losing at your own game that you created. But whatever, man. It's here. Care about that. See, 5 minute. What we looking like? Just hovering in this range. Not down too much. Definitely not getting up too high. And my 628, and I got an order for 630. So I don't really necessarily like that because we're still coming down. This is bullish right here. That's a bullish candle. We get us a good hot pop and close out like we break up above. I don't know where we could go, but let's just say that we go to what do I have this in there for 630? Yeah, I'm just shooting for 50 bucks. I mean, I could go in again, but 56, we'll keep it at 56. If we get up above, I might do another one. Like say if we get just do two. It's having a hard time pushing up past there though, so that's why I'm holding off on just making it on one. I don't want to take no big loss or nothing right now. Oh, Fed meeting. Let's see. The Fed meeting will be the federal funds rate is Wednesday, um, at 2 p.m. FMOC press conference is at 2:30. So Wednesday is what's gonna tell us the tale of the tape. You know what I'm saying? Wednesday. So if we have a pullback here. If we get a pullback here, I might go back in. If not, I'll just hold. But and then I'll decrease that and go up to like rather than 620, 630. Just wait for 620 or something like that, 615. See what we got. Yeah, we're at 602. What do we go to on the low? We went to 591. right, we're at 608. I was looking for a pullback. If I would got a pullback, I was gonna go in and get another contract and go up maybe to 620, lower that target from 630 to 620. But right now I'm only in one contract, so not being greedy. Not being greedy. Let's see if we're gonna get up above 615. Get a run up above 615 and close back out with the high of the day. That'd be nice. If we give above the 48, I'll go again. Maybe we close out around here. So we hitting that same level again. It looks like it's turning. That's why I was talking. If I got a pullback, I was gonna go in, and that was gonna be my new target was 615 or so. Might be curling. All right, getting a push, getting a bounce. We stay above. All right, we're pulling back. Like we're pulling back a little bit. Let's see. We fall below 14 again, then I'll go back in and make two. Call it a day. All right, we're gonna do one down here at 600. Oh, we just bounced. We didn't even get a pullback. Nice. All right, we're getting a bounce, get a push. I think I'm gonna just keep it with that one contract. I was gonna flip it, try to do two, but it's almost time for I don't necessarily want to get stuck in nothing. All right, making a move. Let's see. We can close Car halfway. See if I'd have went in on that other contract, that would be the 50 that I wanted right there. This is it though, right here pushing, pushing. We touch it, we'll be in there. 6:30. We're a good ways from 6:30 though. 6:17. Mm. Get a little pullback here, I think. I'll probably come up here, hit some resistance, pull back down, and I'll go back in again. Let's see, getting close. 20, 20. All right, 21. We need 7 more points. Just need a touch. 9 more points. 8, 10, bouncing. Wicking out at the top. Oh, all right, fell asleep. Check this out. So we're at 36, 37. 40 should be my target, you know. I think I'm at shooting 56 though for some reason, but I think it'll make 30. 10 more points we need. This right here is a good push. Let's get it right here. Pulling back. All right, we get up above 48. That's gonna be a little resistance, but if we get above the 48, then I'm gonna go in. And next time I go in, it'll be same thing. One contract, nothing too heavy. Not nothing too heavy. Here we go. 26, 7, 3 more points. Get us a touch. Pull back and go through it. Get through it. Get to it. Get through it. That was a big drop. That was a big resistance right there. Rejection, sorry. So I'm gonna go in and get another one. We're gonna run. This is it right here. We'll be out. We get this. This will be our $50, and then we'll chill. 5 minutes. I mean 5 points. 7 pulling back. Yeah. But we're curling. I'm gonna go and get one at 620. All right, so I'm at 620 now. Let me see. If I can get up and break above there, above that 630. Take this off. I want 630. 28. We got the 28 both times. Right. So we got the 27 last time. So now we're gonna go to 30. That's what we're shooting for, right? So close that and go to 630, right? I do feel like if we get past 630 though, we'll hit 640. So we'll do 645. If we break through this, we break up and build up here, we'll get to here. So that'll be 641, 641, 640. Look at that. Yeah, 641. So we'll do 640. We'll run up. If we break to there, we'll run up and definitely hit there. 640. All right. So we got two now. Target is 640. We readjusted it from 630. If we stay above the 48, then we're definitely going to hit that 640 shortly after. If I was at the beach, I'm looking at my credit card now. It's time to pay some bills. All right, that was a nice push right there. Got through 630. Got through 630. We're at 83 right now. Target is 640. We got 8 points. Let's go. 628. And that's a push. I like this. This candle's looking good. Nice and bullish. Volume is okay. Got 2 minutes before the close. 2 minutes before the close, will we get a push up? Get 6 points. 6 points we need. 6 points, 4 points, five, three, three, two, two, one. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That worked out. So now, what? Closing out the day with 359. 359 in the house. Two winning trades. Two good decisions. And that's what's up. That's where we at. Stocks 5150. And look, we are coming up right here. Hit this, we might get some resistance. Don't matter to me though, because we good to go. All I need is $40 a day. If I do $40 a day, I'll be okay. Sounds like nothing, but that's what I'm saying. So got 1 minute and there it is. Market close. Market close, and now we're probably gonna run up a little bit. I might do, should I do one or not? I'll just see what it does. It's gonna probably pull back, but I ain't got to do nothing actually. Got 359 on the day. Stocks 5150. Power hour was a success. And we good to go. We out, yo. Peace. Log off. God is good. Yeah.